Alright, so this is actually looking pretty good.
Lots of callus, so.
What was that?
My phone.
Oh, that was your phone. Okay. Yeah. So, while I was away last week, did you come in and have doctor?
Nope.
Okay. So this is 2 weeks worth.
Well, yeah, and I missed the week that I was supposed to come in.
So this is 3 weeks worth.
Yeah.
And you've been staying in,
The boot.
well, this is actually looking pretty good.
My boss ended up breaking a bone in her foot, getting up and walking when her foot was asleep.
Ooh.
Yeah, so she's in a boot too.
Just because her foot was asleep.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I guess like she fell over and everything. I'm like, I've never even heard of that.
I haven't either.
So how was your trip to Maine? Was it beautiful?
It was gorgeous. Yeah. And very relaxing and just being near the water.
Yeah, there is something beautiful about that, isn't there?
There is.
Like the sound and the look and the sunrise and
Just the smell of the salt water.
It's been open since like March of last year.
Oh, wow.
Well, but you weren't so good about staying off it and staying in the boot and... Right?
Yeah, we didn't go into the boot right away, but yeah. They should just miraculously heal on their own in shoes like everybody else's do.
They should.
But they don't. It's not fair.
It's not fair. I completely agree. Alright, so my job is to get these good bleeding edges. Okay, so we'll put the dressing on and we'll see you next week.
Hey, what's up with everybody in the world? This your boy Callus Muscle, and as you see, I represent muscle and fitness and cuts and striations. You see what I'm saying? And this is a shout out to the team at Energy. You guys are doing a great work, man. Nobody cares more about fitness and nutrition than I do. So keep up the good work. It's all about incredible gains and great results. Stay motivated. Love y'all. Let me give you a little more inspiration and motivation. Look at them cuts. Love you. Stay blessed.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.